All right, let's talk about the difference between SWPPX, which is the Schwab S&P 500 Index Fund, and SWTSX, which is the Schwab Total Stock Market Index Fund. Now, both of these funds are extremely popular. SWPPX has total net assets of a little over $67 billion, and SWTSX has total net assets of a little over $17 billion. And they've both been around for a long time. SWPPX has been around since 1997, and SWTSX has been around since 1999. Now, the great thing about both of these funds is that they have extremely low expense ratios. SWPPX has an expense ratio of just 0.02%, meaning you'd only pay $2 in fees for every $10,000 you invest. And SWTSX also has an ultra low expense ratio of just 0.03%, meaning you'd pay just $3 in fees for every $10,000 you invest. Now, the biggest difference between these two funds is the index that they track. As you can see, SWPPX tracks the S&P 500, which means it essentially invests in the largest 500 companies in the United States. And SWTSX tracks the Dow Jones US Total Stock Market Index, which means it invests in the largest 3,518 companies in the United States. And this diversification that SWTSX provides is the reason why some investors prefer it. While SWPPX only invests in large cap US companies, SWTSX essentially invests in the entire US stock market, large cap companies, mid cap companies, and small cap companies. And in terms of performance, both funds have performed extremely well. Over the past year, SWPPX has returned 2.62%, 3 years 14.49%, 5 years 11.42%, 10 years 12.14%, and since inception it's returned 8.3%. And SWTSX is no slouch either. Over the past year it's returned 1.27%, over the past 3 years it's returned 13.88%, over the past 5 years it's returned 10.43%, over the past 10 years it's returned 11.53%, and since inception it's returned 7.21%. And that, ladies and gentlemen, summarizes the similarities and differences between SWPPX and SWTSX. Financial coaching is available through the Stand Store link in my bio. Please like and follow for more.